fact, you
And
highlighted the word
basically
coming in from
involved.
Shahzad Poonawalla. We'll request you to please stay with us because water crisis is not the only thing that the national capital is suffering from, ladies and gentlemen. It's the acute heat outside also. And amidst all of that, if we were to talk about the political blame game emerging about this situation, BJP's Shahzad Poonawalla, as just highlighted by my colleague Akash Sharma, has taken a big charge against Aam Aadmi Party's government. He has went on to say that Aam Aadmi Party in fact has links with water tanker mafia, hence is not taking any action against these water tanker mafias and the situation that transpired here for the national capital people. Remember, he also posted a video where people can be seen queuing up with their buckets, sort of waiting for the portion of their water to be collected by them. Let's listen into what Shahzad Poonawalla actually said while taking a dig at the Aam Aadmi Party.
80,000 करोड़ का दिल्ली जल बोर्ड में घोटाला किया। जब आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं आई थी सरकार में, तब दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के पास प्रॉफिट हुआ करता था। आज 80,000 करोड़ के वो डेट में है, नुकसान में है, लॉस में है। सोचिए, इतना बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है। इसका मतलब दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के पास कोई पैसे ही नहीं बचे कि वो पाइप लगाए, वो पानी की व्यवस्था ठीक से करवाए, वो घर घर तक आपके पानी भिजवाए। घर घर तक तो केवल शराब पहुंचाने का काम आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार ने किया। वाटर टैंकर माफिया दिन दहाड़े आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के संरक्षण में उस पानी को चुरा लेता है और फिर जो सबसे ज्यादा बोली लगाता है, हजारों रुपए कुछ लीटर पानी के लिए, उसको वो पानी दिया जाता है और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता पैसा कमाते हैं।
Akash continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Akash, we just heard what Shahzad Poonawalla had to say. He sort of reiterated the point which was initially made by BJP MP Bansuri Swaraj. She also said that, you know, Delhi government is currently at the debt of approximately 80,000 crore rupees just because of the water crisis being one of the reasons. Now, if we were to talk about what the Apex Court has suggested to Haryana as well as Delhi, is that they should be coming to a consensus. They should be taking initiative for the people of the national capital. What do we know about any initiatives being taken on that front? Are these two places actually talking to each other with regards to, you know, solving the issues of the normal people?
Well, you see, Sakshi, when we talk about Haryana and Delhi government, so we know that the kind of blame game that happens between these two governments. And as far as initiatives that you are, you know, expecting, you know, in fact, we are expecting, people are expecting, but we don't know as to when it will happen. Because you see, heat wave condition is very much witnessed here in the national capital. 45 degrees is what Delhi is surpassing, in fact. You know, at this point in time, while I'm standing, I can, you know, feel that sort of heat. And this is, you know, similar situation is there in the other parts of the capital city. And during this time, you know, water is something that is required for everyone, from anyone to everyone. You know, this water is required. But then we have this politics, and because of politics, there are, you know, sufferings on ground. While we talk about Delhi and Haryana government, so we are seeing, you know, comments on and off comments. But, you know, stand is very much clear. Haryana says that we are releasing the water. LG office here in the national capital say that Haryana is releasing the water. Delhi government, on the other hand, say that we require more water, 55 MGD. 50 MGD, in fact, is what Atishi, water minister, yesterday, you know, highlighted. So we don't know as to when the people of Delhi will get the solution. But yes, politics is very much on, and people, you know, are suffering on ground.
Definitely, and it's very interesting that Atishi also highlighted the condition of the drainage system as well as the taps when Aam Aadmi Party was actually here from the last 10 years. We'll have to see what exactly happens with the people living in the national capital. But Akash, we'll request you to please hold on. We've got this ground report by you as well that we have to show to our viewers, and a couple of reactions also coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those.
Water has become a major problem in the capital city and the nearby areas. I'm standing in Indarpuri, which is in New Delhi constituency, and water problem is such that people are getting water supply, but that water is of no use. There you see the water that they have filled in front of us, and there you see the dirty water, water with bad smell, and the water that can be of no use because they say that they cannot use this water for any purpose. This is the kind of condition that central Delhi is facing. In fact, there are areas where people are struggling for water. And on the other hand, people are getting water, but that water is of no use. I'll try to talk to people as well. 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is the time when they receive this sort of supply. And even in that supply, the water is dirty. Water has got bad smell. I'll try to talk to some residents as well as to what is the problem. ये क्या है पानी 5 से 7 बजे तक आता है हमें बताया गया और ये गंदा आता है।
गंदा आता है एकदम, नाली का सीवर का पानी आता है। बिल्कुल, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सीवर का पानी आता है गंदा। चला चला के मोटर परेशान हो जाते, साफ पानी नहीं आता बिल्कुल भी।
ये अभी आपने भरा है?
हाँ जी।
और ये रोज की कंडीशन आप कह रहे हैं?
ये रोज की है।
इस पानी का तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, फिर क्या करते हैं? फेंक देते हैं?
फेंक देते हैं, सीवर में जाता है सारा पानी।
और ये कितने महीनों से हो रहा है मैम? ये
काफी दिनों से हो रहा है।
काफी दिनों से हो रहा है। अभी फिलहाल ज्यादा समस्या बढ़ गई है पिछले कुछ दिनों से?
नहीं, हकीकत की यही समझता है सारे साल से। हाँ,
हम पिछले काफ़ी समय से इस बात के लिए लगातार बात करते रहे हैं कि पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर गंदा पानी की सप्लाई हो रही है। अब जैसे ही बारिश आती है, जैसे ही गर्मी आती है, तो निश्चित है कि गर्मी में पानी की कमी होगी। तो क्या जो सरकारें हैं उनको ये ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए था कि पहले इसकी व्यवस्था की जाए? एक एग्रीमेंट है जिसमें सभी को अपने अपने हिस्से का पानी मिलना तय होता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जो दोनों सरकारें हैं सिर्फ नूरा कुश्ती खेल रही हैं।
जो तो पानी की समस्या की बात है, हिमाचल के पास जितना भी पानी है अपने राज्य की जरूरत को छोड़कर हम सारा पानी, चाहे दिल्ली है चाहे कोई और राज्य है, हम उनको देने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि हिमाचल प्रदेश भी इस देश का एक भाग है। तो पानी रोकने का कोई औचित्य किसी प्रकार से नहीं बनता। लेकिन जो लीगल हिच है, जैसे कि पानी ने आना है तो हरियाणा से होकर आना है, फिर वो दिल्ली पहुंचेगा, तो वो हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट से दिल्ली को सहमति बनानी है, हमें कोई हिच नहीं।